Our lesson for today is about the contactor. In our subject, we shall be able to learn what is a contactor, what are the components of the contactor, what is auxiliary contacts and main contacts, what is energized and what is de-energized, what is a holding contact, and last but not the least, how does a contactor works? What is a contactor? A contactor is one of the electrical components, a power control device designed for switching an electrical power on and off. Now we go with the main features of a contactor. We can see the physical appearance of what is a contactor, and we can view the projection view. We have the top view, side view, front view, and the isometric view of the magnetic contactor. If we disassemble the contactor, we can see the components inside. What we can see here in the figure, that as per disassembled parts, we can see the spring, we can see the coil, we can see the armature, the fixed and the movable, and the base of the contactor. Now we have this drawing to illustrate how does this contactor performs. Firstly, we have to identify the contactor. So the contactor consists of auxiliary contacts. And auxiliary contacts, it could be normally open or closed, and it is not designed to carry higher loads. We have also here the main contacts, where main contacts are the main terminals, which are the point of entries of high voltage, and it is designed to withstand with high starting current and high temperature. It also consists of an armature, where armature consists of movable iron core and fixed iron core. We have also this spring in the contactor, where the spring is located in between the coil and the movable iron core. A return spring where it pushes back the movable iron core when the coil is de-energized. We have here the main feature where the contactor consists of a coil. Where a coil is a wire wound up 100 or 1,000 times and becomes magnet when energized due to the presence of magnetic field that surrounds to the fixed iron core. Here we can see the contactor are used to make or break power supply lines running to a load. Now let's go what is called a holding contact. We have here the electrical layout diagram of the direct online starter. If you have seen my video DOL or direct online starter, where we can recognize the control circuit, the power circuit, and the control lights. In here, we take as an example to know that our contactor works in the electrical layout diagram of the direct online starter. So, in here, the holding contacts or latching, it is just a common normally open contact from the contactor auxiliary contacts. The purpose of the holding contact is to provide a current path through the contactor coil. Even you release your finger at the start button. That is why holding contact is positioned parallel to the start button. Now we will go how does a contactor works. Let's go with the switchboard panel. As what we can see, the physical appearance of the switchboard panel, then we have here the three-phase induction motor. If we are going to start the motor, we are going to press the start button run. And if we are going to stop the motor, we will push the button stop. So we have here start, stop, start, stop. We are now at the drawing to know how does the contactor performs. So let's try to illustrate how does the contactor works. So we energize the coil and it pulls the segment that the normally open closes and the normally closed opens. And here is de-energized and pushed back by spring. Energized, de-energized, energized, de-energized. We have here the electrical layout diagram and we are going to disseminate or distribute the parts of the contactors so that we will know how does it performs in the diagram. So we have here now the appearance of the distributed parts of the contactor. We have here the energized, de-energized, energized, de-energized, energized, de-energized. And that's it, guys, regarding our contactor. And I hope you have learned with me. Thank you and God bless.